Okay beta, till here we have done. Now we are going to break this one. OM can be written as OM can be written as OA minus AM. OA minus AM. So BM whole square is equal to 25 minus OA minus AM. Done? Whole square beta. Note down till here. So 25 minus this part is there. Now BM whole square is equal to 25 minus OA square plus AM square minus 2OA into AM. Done beta? 2OA into AM. 2OA into AM. Now beta, we will open the bracket. Now BM is also written as what? BM from equation 1. This will become equation, this part no. We'll write this part as equation 2. Okay? This part we are writing it as equation 2. So this part we are writing it as equation 2. So once we are writing this section as equation 2, what we will do? We will use this part as second section. So now how we are going to write it as beta? So BM is equal to 36 minus A square. This side BM, okay? And that side BM and that side BM. So this side BM equation 1 and equation 2. So what we are going to write? 36 minus AM square equal to 25 minus OA is what beta? OA is again radius. So OA is coming as 5. So 5 square. So minus 25 because OA is what? 5 minus AM square plus 2 into 5 into AM. Done. So this AM square and this AM square got cancelled. 25 and 25 got cancelled. So 36 is equal to 10 AM. Cut you. 10 AM is exactly coming beta. So 36 minus 3.6 is equal to AM. We got 3.6 is equal to AM. Note down. So 3.6 is coming as AM. And now we are going to substitute this 3.6 AM into BM because this is exactly going to give us the entire value. BM only we are needing beta. And with the help of BM, we can get the another part. So most important thing what we are needing is BM. So what we are needing here is BM. So now most important section here is once you have written AM, so right after that substituting AM is equal to 3.6 in equation 1. So once you are substituting here in equation 1, what you are getting beta? So BM square is equal to 36 minus 3.6 whole square. 36 minus 3.6 whole square. So once you are writing 36 minus 3.6 whole square, so BM part will be coming as what beta? Root under 36 minus 3.6. 3.6 will become beta 36 into 36. Yes beta, start joining, inform in the group. So 36 will be what? 36 into 36. So it will become 12.96. Okay, minus you will do, it will come how much beta? 23.04. And this part will come as BC na. So since we know that diagonal bisect, so since diagonal, sorry, so line from the OM is what? BM is equal to MC. Already we have done na, BM is equal to MC. Why? Because from the center of the circle to the chord, line drawn is perpendicular to the chord and bisects the chord. So 100% this part we are going to write beta. So BM is equal to MC. So MC also equal to 4.8 centimeters. Then what is BC beta? BC is BM plus MC. So 4.8 plus 4.8, it is coming as 9.6 centimeter. Note down 4.8 plus 4.8, it is exactly coming as 9.6 centimeter. Four 4.8 into 4.8, it is coming as how much? 9.6 centimeter. Is it done till here? I hope you might have understood this one, beta. Okay, beta. We'll go for we'll go for the next one. So one more big question is there, that is exercise 8.1. So in exercise 8.1, like these questions are there, beta. One more very big question is there that in next class we are going to solve. But one small putty questions I want you people to solve. This is NCRT questions, and all NCRT questions we will be solving with much clarity. Okay. So all NCRT questions we are going to solve with much clarity. So one more question is there. Let's solve this question. This is a big question. So let's say a circular park of radius 20 centimeter. This is a very important question. A circular park of radius. A circular part of radius. A circular part of radius is how much coming, beta? 20 centimeter. So a circular park is there, and radius is coming as how much, beta? 20 centimeter. Note down. So the radius of the circular park is 20 centimeter, is situated in a colony. Okay. So what is the radius? 20 centimeter. This is NCRT question. You have NCRT book, beta? You have NCRT book? Okay. So a circular park of radius 20 meter, 20 meter. Got it? Radius is coming as 20 meter, is situated in a colony. Three boys, Ankur, Sayyed and David, are sitting at equal distance on the boundary. So exactly A comes as Ankur. After that, B comes as Sayyed and C comes as David. Ankur. Okay. Ankur, Sayyed, and they are at equal arc. So definitely the arc subtended between them, that is arc AB. So this length is equal. So this distance is equal to this distance is equal to this distance. All the three arcs are equal length. Understood? So all the three arcs are coming as what, beta? Equal length. So AB is equal to AB is equal to BC is equal to AC. Equal arc length is there. Note down, beta. So definitely the chord AB. So when arc lengths are equal, so the chord subtended will also be equal. So this chord AB, BC and AC will also be equal. So that means what? Chord AB is equal to chord BC is equal to chord AC. So all the three sides will become equal. So what type of triangle it is, beta? Equilateral triangle. So that means triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. What type of triangle it is? Equilateral triangle. Now is it buffering? Done, beta. So now after this, what we are going to do here is, it is an equilateral triangle. So all the three sides are equal. Now beta, if all the three sides are equal, that means this one will be one line perpendicular bisector. This is one perpendicular bisector, and this is another perpendicular bisector. These three will join. Draw it, and this will become what, beta? This part we are going to write it as D. This part we are going to write it as E, and this part is going to F, and this will become G. G is as centroid. G of a triangle. What is G? G is considered as centroid of a triangle. Understood? What is G, beta? So here G is centroid of triangle ABC coinciding with its circumference. Okay, coinciding with its circumference. Now beta, one thing is there, they told that this is 20 centimeter radius part is coming as 20 centimeter. That means beta, all the section AG will also be 20 centimeter, this part will also be 20 centimeter, and this part will also become 20 centimeter. Note down, this is most important. So AG is equal to BG is equal to CG is equal to 20 meter. 20 meter. Note down. Always you remember, the centroid divides the part into two equal ratios. The centroid divides the part into two equal ratios. Write down. So G divides AD in ratio 2 is to 1. G divide AD in ratio 2 is to 1. So what is exactly the part, beta? GA by GD equal to, ratio is coming as 2 is to 1. GA by GD is coming as 2 is to 1. So what is GA, beta? GA is 20. GA part is exactly 20. So 20 by GD equal to 2 is to 1. So what is GD, beta? GD is equal to 10. Super, very good. So note down, GD is equal to 10 meter. We got a crack point. We got GD as 10 meter. Understood? So this is 20 and this is 10. So total will become how much, beta? 30. Total will become 30. So now we have written this. Now we are going to take triangle. This is the most important thing, and we must understand it very, very particularly. Okay. So first work is, all the three arcs are exactly similar. So since arcs are similar, means chord length will become equal. Chord length are similar. That means it is coming as what, beta? Equilateral triangle. And once you are writing it as equilateral triangle, then G will become what, beta? Centroid. And centroid always divides the height into ratio 2 is to 1. Understood? And one part is coming as 20. So this part will come as 10. Got it? So we got till here. After writing till here, what is the next segment we are going to do? Our next segment, what we are going to write, beta? So in triangle BDG. So when you are writing triangle BDG, we have note down, BG square is equal to BG square is equal to, now that triangle, which triangle we have taken? We have taken triangle BGD. This is 90 degree. Understood? This is already beta 20. And this part what we have got is 10. So we will find BD. Correct na? Because just now we got GD as 10 na. So use this part and write the content. Use this part and write the content. BG square is equal to what beta? GD square plus BD square. So what is BG? BG is 20. So 20 square minus 10 square is equal to BD square. Once we will get the length means our work will be over. So here, what is exactly the next part we are going to write, beta? So BD square is equal to 1 time 20 plus 10, 1 time 20 minus 10. 20 plus 10 is coming as 30 and this part will become as 10. So BD square is coming as 300. So once we are writing BD square as 300, make root of it. It is BD is coming as 10 root 3 meter. BD is coming as how much beta? 10 root 3. And we know that from the center of the circle to the chord, line drawn is bisecting the chord. So we will write this. So since GD is perpendicular to BC. Why beta? From the center of the circle to the chord, line drawn is perpendicular to the chord and bisects the, note down everything very particularly, note down beta. So here BD will be equal to what beta? BD is equal to DC and this part will be coming equal to how much beta? 10 root 3 meter. So what is total length BC? BC is equal to 10 root 3 plus 10 root 3, 2 times coming now. BC is equal to BD plus DC. So it is coming as 10 root 3 plus 10 root 3. So it is coming as 20 root 3 meter. Done? Note down. Note down, it is coming as how much beta? 20 root 3 meter. So only one concept I have used beta, centroid concept. And with the help of centroid question, we have solved it very nicely. No problem came now. With the help of centroid, we solved it very easily. Correct? Very good. Is it done beta? Noted everyone? Okay. So we're going to keep it till here. Tomorrow class, last class for chemistry and then we will start beta physics. Okay. 2 chapters of physics we are going to write down. After writing 2 chapters of physics, what next we will do?